I locked myself out, but hey, it's all good. I wanted to give a room tour. It's nighttime. I usually like to do these in the daytime, but I got my sister and my cousin coming, and they're girls, and you know they put their stuff everywhere, so hang on a second. It's her now. We'll call her back. Anyway, so I want to give you a room tour, so here we go. So this is the 2-bedroom unit here. We'll start in the kitchen. I've been in a bunch of these. They're all set up a little bit different, but they all have about the same space and everything. These are full kitchens. They have everything. We see you got the blenders, toasters, coffee stuff. We even have the stuff for like cooking. You've got everything here. I've actually got something in the oven right now because I was hungry and I was here earlier. But yeah, full kitchen. All right, great little dining room area. And check this out. Look at this. Got the nice TV, big living room, and look at this porch. We are in building 1, which is the Zen building, I guess. This is one of the 3 pools here. We will tour that tomorrow when we can see it. But as you can see, oh, I love that view. You can see all of Orlando. Oh, before I get, there is washer and dryer. Here we go, washer and dryer in here. Again, so we're gonna go to the master bedroom. You see here, pretty spacious, pretty nice, great bed, by the way. I slept, like I said, I probably spent 5-6 weeks at this resort before. So master bathroom, you got a big garden tub, easy to get in and out of shower. For the old people like me, what we got in here? Oh, linen closet, another linen closet. That's for the pull-out sofa. It does have a pull-out sofa. All right, let's go to the 2nd bedroom. It's got 2 queens in it. So you can see here, it's pretty nice, pretty spacious. It's got a good view in it as well. Real nice. And the it's got the closet and the bathroom. Right here, oh, let's get some light on. There we go. Bathroom, everything you need, dryer, soaps, all that kind of stuff. So yeah. And that is the room bed. This is the room tour for the 2-bedroom. They also have 1 bedroom. I'm not sure about studios. I've never stayed at the studios. I've only stayed at the 2-bedroom and 1 bedrooms. So like I said, there's 9 buildings here. I've stayed at a few. Every building does have, everybody wants ice, they have ice, and little sitting areas like this. Some great views. We're on the 7th floor right now, so yeah, but every building is kind of situated the same. They're all gonna have ice, vending, and little sitting areas. So, like I said, this is a big complex. If you like getting your steps in, they have lots of paved walking trails kind of all through the complex with some fountains and some ponds and such like that. So it's really nice to get some good fresh air, plenty of places to walk. 2 fitness centers, which I'm going to do a little clip of those as well to get your workout in. 3 pools, outdoor patios, outdoor grilling areas. They do have an outdoor bar, an indoor wine thing. I think I got a little video of that. Pizza stuff, some kid slides. I'm gonna show you all that. But yeah, we're walking over to the main pool right now. So the cabanas are first come, first serve or RSVP, it just depends. There's plenty of chairs and towels available as well. So 2 little water slides. They're fun, they're small. So there's a hot tub right here. So far I've found 4 different hot tubs. And so yeah, they're scattered across. Oh, here's a towel station. Get your towels and you drop them off right there. So it's got a full bar and stuff out here by the main pool. You can get your drinks and such. I don't know the prices, I'm not a big drinker, but expect touristy travel prices. I mentioned that this is a pretty big complex. They got like a little map right here. See everything. Fire pit. We're right here now. That's where we were, the main pool. Restaurants and stuff over here. We're in building 1. This is the big lake. You can fish and everything. So yeah, we're gonna walk around here and go to the main check-in area. So this is where you're going to check in. This is where they have Starbucks coffee, and you order your pizza. Yeah. They also have frozen yogurt up here as well, where you'll lose all your money. But there is a very large arcade up here. It is not included, so beware. Oh, we got a little business center if you want to practice your beer pong. And then we can go here and see the other pool. They're doing construction on that one, but yeah, there's another pool. So I'm here around the Halloween time. Every day they have different events and things to do around the resort. They're kind of kiddie, they're kind of dumb, but some of them are kind of fun. If you're bored, go check them out. But then now they have a Halloween events, and so yeah. This is the bigger of the gyms right here. And back down here, got another bar, and then the indoor pool part, some cornhole and ping pong, and then we got here to the other pool. There is a sauna as well. So you can fish here. I don't know how good the fishing is. It got docks all the way around here. Do a little Google research on some good fishing stuff, but you can fish here. So some people have been fishing. I don't know if they've caught anything, but yeah, it's a pretty big lake, and there's some fishing. So they got a basketball court. They have the painting for pickleball. Needs a little work, but yeah, they have the outdoor courts for the basketball and pickleball on site. So it's like I said, there's plenty of stuff to do if you just want to go to the parks and then have a relaxing day around here. Just about the area, it's right off I-Drive. We're right in between Universal and Disney, so it's perfect for both parks. There's also a ton of restaurants and such within a mile. I've got a little food channel I'm coming up with. I went to a biscuit spot earlier, so it's called Maple Street Biscuit, I believe. So be looking for that. But yeah, we're gonna go back to building 1 and look at that pool and see if we can sneak into the spa and take a look at that. Oh yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. I sure would appreciate it. Hit a like, do a comment. It helps. I'm trying to build my little channel. I didn't get any spa treatments, so I can't talk about if they're any good or not. But they do have a spa on site. This is the second gym right here. Not bad. Got a sauna over there. Let's see, we got bathrooms, I believe, over here, and another sauna. So right now we are actually going to the third pool. It's later in the day, so it's kind of shaded. If you want full sun, you go to the middle one, but this is the middle. They're doing a little construction and fixing one of the hot tubs as well. But pretty quiet over here compared to the other one. There's no bar, so yeah, it's chill. Well, I hope you got some value out of this little walking tour of the Bluegreen Vacation Resorts at the Fountains in Orlando. I'm going to be wrapping this up, heading back to my room now. Make sure, I would appreciate if you subscribe, like I said, and we will catch you on the next one. Talk to you later.